Eh, oh my God, my lady. Hey, lady.
Why run over me? You just killed me.
Late Ross, I'm so sorry.
Stop calling me Ross Dirty Boy. We don't know you.
Rasta.
Yeah, you're not friend.
Oh my God.
You're a criminal.
No, I'm not a criminal, no.
You's a murderer. Hey boy, what's your name?
John.
Hey,
John.
John Crow, you have to go down today, John Crow.
I'm sorry.
You have insurance?
Yeah, but
You have money?
Lady.
Look in your pocket and see where
Hold
you
up,
can.
1 second.
Where you
Me too.
off? Where you off? Where you off? Where you off, boy? Where you off?
15.
You have to go down.
No,
You have to go down
no.
today to look in the way you off.
Rasta.
No.
No, Rasta.
I thought
What?
you take this fair game, boy?
No, I mean, yes, no, don't.
Look at that pocket.
All right.
Look at that boy, I'm gonna sue you. Today, you get sued.
Oh.
Me not come up for that car.
Please, no.
Figure it out.
What's
You
your
don't
name?
even know me name. Me lie, I can talk to you. Me today in Brooklyn, New York. You go down. Me not lie.
Wait, we're not in Queens?
What? Are you there to take me for? Me not idiot. Me injured. Me not idiot. Me tell her, say, oh.
Excuse me.
No, sorry.
Excuse me.
Me not have the time. Sorry.
But I just need 2 seconds. I
For
need to ask you a
what?
donation
Me
for
not want- me not
the
the money.
earth.
Me not the money. Me have nothing to donate.
But they're cutting down trees and we need trees to live.
Fuck,
And
the trees is soon dead anyway. Me not
okay, but we just need a small donation, a kind small
Mr.
donation.
Me broke. Me
Not
not
too
no
much.
money. Me not me broke.
Okay, what
Excuse
about
me.
what about change? Do you have any change for it?
Change?
Yeah, it
Me
doesn't have
not
to be
even
too
change my
much.
shoes. Me broke. Me not the money. Me not the money for buy nothing for myself to change. Yeah.
But I just need a small donation. It doesn't have to be much, sweetheart.
Ask if it again. Me back. The woman has a 9. Me broke.
Okay, but what about the kids? You know, things are happening to kids, and the kids need trees, and we need things to live. You don't care about the
Me
environment?
not care about no picking no kid, nobody. Me not care. Me hate you. Me all hate you. Sometimes I hate myself.
Okay, but I'm so sorry, ma'am. I just need a small, kind donation. It doesn't have to be too much.
You lick it. Let me lick it on, you know. Back up.
I'm so
Go
sorry.
up,
You need trees to breathe, to live.
Move.
Okay, I'm so sorry. What about the polluted ocean, sweetheart?
Ask about the ocean again. Me drown you at night.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Lick it on, you know. Sure.
Some girl want post people, man, I don't want post them pitney. Hey, idiot girl, post your pitney now. Me proud baby mother, they want it there.
Your pum pum bring life. Your tight pum pum bring life. Your pum pum bring life. Cock up now.
Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to take this dollar or would you like to double it?
Give me $1.
Okay, are you sure?
Yeah, give me $1.
You can possibly double it though. If you take the dollar, the next person
Stop.
gets $2, the person after that get $3.
Stop it. Me not care.
Are you
Me
sure?
not care about nobody
Give
else.
me back the
Oh,
dollar,
watch
ma'am,
out. Hey.
so I can finish explaining
Give
to
me
you
$1.
about the dollar, sweetheart. No.
Give me not give a damn. No, waste my time.
Wow, you're very aggressive.
Fuck off.
Okay, I'm so sorry, ma'am. Have fun with the dollar. I hope you spend it the best way you can.
Me will.
Don't spend it all in one place, sweetheart.
Suck yourself.
Oh.